Hello, this is John Clegg, and thank you for stopping by 5812 Bell Tower Lane. Bell Tower is located in the village of Buckingham, and that is on the northeast side of Fort Wayne, and we have a truly move-in ready home. Built by Chris Stauffer Homes, this single-family owned ranch-style villa is nestled on a cul-de-sac and offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full and 1 half baths. The master suite is on the main floor with walk-in closet, a full bath with double bowl vanity, garden tub, separate shower. The home also has gorgeous high-quality 6-panel doors. A laundry/half bath is also on the main floor. Kitchen with an island and a pantry, and all the appliances remain with this home. The dining room with boxed window seat and access to the deck. Spacious living room features a stunning fireplace and vaulted ceiling. The family room is in the full daylight basement that has 9-foot ceilings. There's extra space in the lower level that could be a media room, a craft room, and or a workshop. All closets have lights, high efficiency furnace, irrigation system on its own separate meter, lawn care including yearly mulching and snow removal are included. Home shows pride of ownership. Schedule your showing for this great home today.